Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In case you are planning to get admission into PG courses through NEET PG examination this year, uh, these topics are very important for you, and the video, it will be a bit lengthy video but will be very important and useful for you regarding the process, and you will be knowing a lot of things regarding counseling process. How does the admission happen in India in PG colleges? How does the counseling process happens? And what is all India counseling, what is state level counseling, how to get a government seat or private seat or deemed seat in deemed university, how to get seat in very low score, if your score is low still how you can get a seat in your dream branch, and how and where the reservation benefit will come into picture. Is there any direct admission, or how to get admission into AIMS colleges? So we'll know about all those things. We will also cover the topics related to DNB counseling and or other options apart from MDMS courses which you can avail through NEET PG score. So if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe our channel, and in the description you can find a few important ebooks which you can download for deemed university, all open states and DNB. You can avail our paid services. On availing the paid services now, we are giving 20% of discount, and we will give you analysis based on your current score, current rank in GT, what are the options available to you, and if you tell your dream branches, then we can tell you some high level idea which colleges in government or private, and in what budget, in which state you are going to get colleges. So how many types of counselings that you can participate into? There are two types of counseling happens related to NEET PG 2021, and there is no other process to get admission into any PG colleges for any PG course other than after qualifying NEET PG 2021 and participating in the counseling process for 2021. Center level counseling and state level counseling are the two types of counseling. Let's try to understand what is central counseling. All India 50% scheme, and in which 50% seats from all the government colleges in all the states are combined at one place, and MCC is the authority who does the counseling for all the government seats 50%. Then you have deemed university counseling. Deemed university counseling also goes along with all India quota 50%, and MCC is the counseling authority. 100% of the deemed university seats are available under the counseling for deemed university. Central universities, so when you register for All India, once the examination is done and result is out, you are registering for the counseling process of 50% government seats in all the states, and deemed universities 100% seat, and then 100% seats of central universities like BHU, AMU, Delhi University, AFMC and ESIC colleges. When you go for deemed university and central universities counseling, you have to deposit a security deposit of 2 lakhs. Pertaining to All India counseling 50%, there are 2 rounds conducted by MCC, first round and second round. After second round, if any seat remains vacant or any seat is remain unreported after allotment, then those seats are transferred to the state counseling authority, to whichever state they belong to, and that state counseling authority is responsible to allot the seats transferred to the state. Round 1, round 2 and mop-up round, and then if seats are still vacant, then stray vacancy round are the counseling. 4 rounds of counseling process applicable for deemed universities and central universities. Now talking about state level counseling process, so 50% government seats which are with the particular state, so you can participate in your domicile state or the state where you have done your MBBS prom, that comes under the eligibility criteria, and 100% of the private seats in particular state you can participate for that. And some states are open which allows other state candidates to participate for their private colleges like Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh. So these Rajasthan, these are open states. A student coming from other states can also apply for these counseling process, but you need to understand the nitty and gritty of all the state level counseling process. They have different rules, regulations, and different terms and conditions. What are the options to get government colleges? MDMS seat in government colleges. So first option is through All India 50% quota counseling process. Then from your state level, your domicile or your MBBS state, you can participate into 50% remaining government seats, and you can get government seat from there. You can participate for central universities counseling, and you can get a government seat in BHU, AMU, DU, AFMC or ESIC. Now it's very important to know, you register for NEET PG 2021, and the moment you register, you expose your contact number, your email ID. So those contact numbers somehow get broadcasted to people, and those people get your number, and that's why you receive messages. You must be receiving messages and calls from unknown numbers, and some of them are like fraudster. So they promise you, they give you very good offer. Even if you just qualified a score, they will give you very good deemed universities in very low fee. Through some means they will try to promise, and they will convince very nicely. You don't have to get trapped into such things. I will tell you how you can get rid of such traps. For that you need to watch the video until end. In the last section of the video, I will give you very important tips and tricks for counseling process, so that you can get rid of such things, and you can be in the safer side. Government seats allocated based on merit only, and you can get some calls where they promise to give you government seat even in very low score. So that's not possible. And where you can get the benefit of reservation, you come under SC category or ST category or OBC EWS category. So where you can get the benefit of it, you must be knowing about it, that where the reservation is applicable. It is applicable in All India 50% quota. It's applicable in central universities this year onwards. OBC and EWS categories are also applicable in All India 50% quota. Then it's applicable in your home state counseling. If you're going for private colleges, it's not applicable. And NB diploma, this NB diploma is the new course that was launched this year. So far 720 seats are added, and all are into clinical branches, 8 clinical branches. First time the counseling will happen, and NB will conduct the counseling process. We don't have much information available related to NB diploma counseling process. As the time progresses, through the notification and through the videos, we will update you. Now let's talk about DNB counseling. DNB is a very important degree course now, and it happens through medical hospitals and some of the colleges also. Until last year 2022, NB used to conduct the counseling process for DNB, and after a couple of rounds for MDMS All India quota or a state counseling process is done, then they used to start the counseling process for DNB. This year MCC will conduct the counseling process for DNB, and it will go in parallel with All India quota and other state counseling process. So it is going to impact the cutoff for All India quota as well as DNB, because the candidates will be having lesser options to leave the seats, and earlier they used to have the option to have a seat in All India quota or their state counseling, and if they get better option in DNB, they used to choose for DNB options. So the options will be limited this year, and that will positively impact the cutoff. The counseling rounds, round 1, round 2 and round 3, these are all online rounds, and you have to do the choice filling. The choice filling in DNB is very much important, because you have got more than 500 hospitals, and for each hospital 14 to 15 branches are there, and you have to fill it according to their ranking. You would have to know which college have got good general surgery infrastructure and hands-on opportunities. So you have to fill it accordingly. The fee is 1.5 lakhs, which is very minimal, and you will be getting good stipend amount as well. Getting a seat in low score. How you can get a seat in low score when you know that handsome, still you get a seat in low score in minimal budget. So you can't get government seat. First of all, you have option to get deemed universities, and in deemed universities 85% seats are management and remaining 15% seats are NRI. So those NRI seats gets converted into management seats if they are until last round and until mop-up round they are unallocated. In the stay vacancy round they are converted to management seats, and their tuition fee is also reduced. So then there you have the chance to go for deemed university in lesser tuition fee. You can go for mop-up round and stay vacancy round, and you go for mop-up and stay vacancy round for private colleges in open states or domicile states. In open states also they have their NRI quota, and they convert NRI quota into management seat in the last stay vacancy round. So you have to keep it you have to be very informative about the colleges and number of seats vacant for particular branch, so that you can get admission in the particular college in very handsome deal of tuition fee. But you have to be very informative, because in couple of days all the counseling process, in-person counseling process gets over. All states have got their own counseling procedure and rules, so you have to very knowledgeable about all those rules where you are going to plan. Now let's talk about the tips, very important part of this section of this video. What are the tips that you must be knowing if you are going for the counseling process? First thing, have a proper knowledge of counseling process, whether it's all India quota counseling process, deemed universities or central universities, your state level counseling process or open counseling process, DNB counseling process, NB counseling process, or CPS FCPS counseling process. You must be very much knowledgeable about the counseling process. If you don't have knowledge, go to last option. You can take expert advice of a good counselor. In case you are planning to invest a good amount of money for education, it's a wise decision to invest a small amount of that money, so that you can get proper guidance, and you should not repent on the result that you get, because after you do the choice filling, you get the seat allocated and you don't have any option to change it. Have a list of colleges where you want to get admission into, and know the process to get admission into those colleges. Participate in multiple state rounds, state counseling, so that your options are widened up and you have more options to explore. Calculate your maximum budget if the score is not good, and when you are calculating for your maximum budget, keep 6 to 8 lakhs separate for security deposit, because security deposit that you deposit for the counseling process at the time of registration, it gets returned after almost 6 to 8 months. So you can't consider it as a part of your tuition fee payment for the first year. You need to keep balance among all the counseling process you are proceeding with, and to maintain that balance, when I say that you have to keep balance, that you should not forfeit any security deposit for any kind like open state or deemed universities. You should not commit any kind of mistake. Know the detailed fee structure of college and hidden fee. The fee you get to know about any college from the internet might not be updated fee, and hidden fee is not mentioned. So you have to know the proper fee structure and updated fee structure. Don't rely on the colleges and fee information available on internet. They are either outdated or biased. Don't judge a college based on its building or footage available on internet. You need to know about the colleges based on real contexts. Service bond is another factor. How many years of service bond and how much is the penalty? Some colleges have, some states have got 10 years of service bond, some have got 1 year, and some have got 3 years. So accordingly you have to see how many years you can spend there and what is your plan accordingly. Bank guarantee is another factor. Some of the colleges will ask for bank guarantee for next 2 years fee, and that amount you have to keep in your bank. Don't blindly follow the cutoff for last year. The trend keep on changing for each and every year based on many factors, and due to this corona period it's more dynamic, so you can't blindly follow the cutoff trend for last few years. That's why it requires so much of experience to analyze or to predict the trend for particular year. Beware of fraud calls and false promises. Keep a good technical knowledge about the counseling process, so that you can catch anybody who is giving you wrong information or making the false promises. It's your own duty. And it's my decision to take paid services. If you're going for investing like 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, or even amount for education in crores, then it's my decision to invest a small amount, so that you get best possible state to the person whom you are to the person who is guiding you, and you should be having faith on the person. So first develop the faith, and then only you go for it. I'm not saying that you can avail the paid service for NEET Mentor only. There are other expert counselors, you can get the paid service from them also, or you can become you can do the expert counseling services on your own knowledge, but it requires so much of effort, so much of knowledge, so much of data from the past years, which practically becomes very difficult to achieve. And if you get the paid service, someone can help you get saving approx 10 lakhs per year as part of tuition fee, and at the same time you can get the best possible college in your rank and all the within all your criteria, and you can save your years as well. So if you want to avail our paid services, this is the information. You can get 20% of discount if you want to avail for now, and we will support for all the counseling process starting from All India quota till CPS, FCPS, and for deemed private, all open state, NB diploma, and all the options available where you can get admission into through NEET PG score. And based on your score, your budget, and all the limitation, we will able to tell you in prior that your year will be vested or you will 100% get admission into college. So we can tell you based on your criteria. So that's it from our side in this video. If you have any other questions, you can comment us in the comment section of the video, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.